All right. I'm going to pick from my orange belt this master lock 575. Pin still in, it's not guttable. I could just take a picture, but I'm going to take a video. So let's do top of key. Okay, top of key, standard hook. Let's start with the first pin. All right, first pin's binding. Okay, set. Second pin. I'm going to reset. First pin. There we go, that's set. Film a second. Here's a second pin. And that's binding. Alright, that's set. Third pin's nothing. Fourth pin's nothing. And fifth pin. That's binding. Set. Check for the fourth. Nope. Here's the third. Okay, third set. And now it leaves the fourth. Because there's 5 pins. Oh, that's set. There we go. Alright. And picked.